morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're outside. We're going to be in the greenhouse, and I have a lot of planting to do, so I thought I would bring you along. So I did a lot of cleaning up in the greenhouse, removed some items and organizing, I guess is the best word. So I feel like it's almost where I want it to be. This is my largest seed starting cell that I have. I want to believe there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I believe there's 172 cells. And today we are going to plant vegetables, flowers, and herbs. And yesterday I did a lot of cleaning of my seeds. What was new, what was old, and what I didn't need anymore. And in here we have everything that we're going to plant today. So the first thing I'm going to do is make little dimples into here. Now, hopefully we'll have success with this particular tray. I've used it once or twice before, and either because of the seeds or because of me, but I really wasn't too successful. The temperatures here have warmed up some, actually a lot. So I'm thinking I'll do better in the greenhouse with this. We're going to start with the vegetables first. Put that there. Flower, 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 flower. More flower, flower, flower. Going to have several different types of tomatoes. First one we're going to put in is Hungarian Italian paste. It is a paste tomato, and I got it from Southern Exposure Seeds. Next is Martian Giant Slicer, and also from Southern Exposure. This is the Homestead, and I got it from a company called Homes. I'm dropping 2 to 3 seeds in each. And this is the Florida tomato I got from Florida Living Seeds. This is the red giant mustard, also from Homes. So we ended up getting 7 types of tomatoes, and 1 red mustard, and 1 bell pepper planted. So now we're going to go ahead and do the flowers, and we have a whole bunch of those. We have bachelor button, marigold, chica flame, zinnias, queen lime, another marigold, orange, Hawaii, some Veneris giant mix, Zenga, some cosmos, a pollinator flower mix, snapdragons, and a Mother Day flower mix to attract birds and butterflies. So we're going to go ahead and do those. And then lastly, we'll do the herbs. Okay, we got our flowers in, and now we're going to do our herbs. First one is going to be Italian flat leaf parsley. Next is going to be sage. Next is going to be thyme. Very, 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 very small seeds. Next is going to be cilantro. And last but not least, sweet basil. We got all our seeds in, and now I'm going to get some more of my potting mix, or seed starting mix rather, and sprinkle on top. We're going to water them in, and then we'll be done. So here we are, all watered in. The flecks of white that you see is perlite. It helps with the moisture and will prevent the cells from drying out. And hopefully we'll have a good germination rate, and sometime in April we'll be able to put these out. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did this planting. We did 7 types of tomatoes, some mustards, red mustards, and some bell peppers. We did a large variety of flowers, and some of those are pollinators. And we did some herbs. I hope you enjoyed the video and you got something out of it and brought a smile to your face. Don't forget to like the button, leave me a comment. Don't forget to like the video rather, and leave me a comment. I'll be sure to respond to you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables and fruit by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my videos, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share them. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.